Right, section 8, coordinates and graphs. I'm working on page 111, section 8.1, coordinates and equations of a straight line, simple straight lines. So this is question 5. It says, write down the equations of the lines on the grid. Now if you look over here, this lovely little blue line, however it may appear, all the x values on this line have a value of 4. So the equation is x equals 4, okay? 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4 minus 2. The first value for the x is 4, hence x equals 4. I want to do C next rather than B. Look, all this passes through the coordinate 1, 0, so 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Guess what? All the x values are 1. And now I think I'll do F as well. All the x values on this line here are minus 2, so the equation is x equals minus 2. So for example, minus 2, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, etc. So the equation x equals minus 2. Now doing this horizontal line here, this B line, that's the point there, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4. The y coordinate is always equal to 4, hence the equation is y equals 4. Similarly with D, we have the y line, as I like to call it, passing through the point 0, 1, therefore the graph is y equals 1. Incidentally, just like while we're chatting, if we're doing the y lines that go horizontally, please note that this line itself, the x-axis, which has been called E, has an equation of y equals 0. Alright, so look at it, all the y values on the x-axis are 0, hence even the x-axis has an equation and it's called y equals 0. In the same way, the y-axis itself, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, minus 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. The x values are 0. Therefore, the y-axis has an equation of x equals 0, and the x-axis has an equation of y equals 0. Complicated, but think about it. Right, Declan said that line x crosses line D at the point 1, 4. No, Declan, actually it crosses at the point 4, 1. So it's no. It crosses at 4, 1. What did Declan do wrong? He must have written the x coordinates for the y and the y coordinate for the x. But if you say no, it's wrong, because it crosses at 4, 1, and show it, and that's fine. Write down the coordinates of the points where lines A and B cross. A and B, well that's that one there. That's going to be 4, 4. So let's just write it here. 4, 4. B and C. B and C, well there's B and there's C, that's that one, so that's 1, 4. A and E, well that's that one, so coming across this way, minus 2, then up 4, so minus 2, 4. B and F, where's F gone? B and F, where's F? Oh, that was B and F. Oh, B and E is down, oh grief, B and E is down here. B and E. Where's B and E? B and C is that one. Oh, I read it wrong. 1, 4. Okay. A and E. A and E is that one there, which is 4, 0. Let's just remove that. I'm tired, obviously. So A and E, accident emergency. A and E is 4, 0. B and F, minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 4. D and F, where's D? D and F, U, minus 2, 1. Minus 2, let's have a quick check. A and B, 4, 4, done. B and C, there, 1, 4. E and A, or E and A and E, that's that one. That's that one, which is 4, 0. B and F is right there. Crosses on minus 2, 4. And D and F. D and F is that one right there. Minus 2, then 1 up, so that's good, I'm happy. Yippee, we're on to flying start. Draw a pair of x and y axes from minus 5 to 5. Well, okay, I did mine from minus 6 to 6 because I overshot the line, forgive me. Draw and label the lines with the following equations. Y equals 3. Straight lines, I can do that. Let's not make it too chunky. Y equals 3, so I know my lines go horizontally, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, sort of right across there, isn't it? I think I label that one y equals 3, so I've got it right. Next one, x equals 2, that's that one there, so x goes this way, vertical, x equals 2, I'm going to pass through the point 2, 0. Let's just try and do it with this one, in blue. So if I stab it there and drag it down, that's alright. So that's the line x equals 2. Next one, y equals minus 2, so the y lines go across here. Drag that. Y equals minus 2, so let's try and get this absolutely perfect. If we can. That's perfect enough. And that's the equation y equals minus 2. And we've got x equals minus 1. And that's going to have to be in blue. So we've got x equals 1, x equals 2, x equals 3, x equals nothing, x equals minus 1. So let's try and make it go all the way down here somehow. Right, here we go. So hold it. Getting in the way of the coordinates. Anyway, so I'm going to label that one skillfully somehow, with a bit of skill. And label that one in blue. So that one is x equals negative 1. Then it says write down the coordinates of the points where the lines cross. Oh, must I really? Okay then. Let's just do this in yellow or something. So that one's going to be 2, 3. Oh, that's so visible. How about we do it in black? No, some other fancy colour. What about a lovely purple? I'll have that one. So what did I say? Yeah, 2 across, 3 up. 2, 3. That's that one. We'll do this one now. Minus 1, 3. Minus 1, 3. We can do this one. That's 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. And this one is going to be minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. Blah de blah de blah. All done. I'm supposed to notice something. Alright. What do you notice about the coordinates of the points and the equations of the lines? I suppose the first coordinate in each case is as a result of the equation of the x line, and the second part of the coordinate is as a result of the equation of the y line. So really, where the two lines cross, the x value, the equation for the x value is shown, e.g. x equals 2, and the equation for the y value is shown, e.g. y equals 3. I can't say it better than that. I hope you won't be asked to do that in an exam. Anywho, that's essentially it. Now, I'm sort of using this grid to answer questions 7 and 8 in my own way. They've gone through long drawn out procedures from just making very simple points. Now, I want to plot the point minus 5, which is, judging by my computer, there. And I want to plot the point 5, 5 as well, which is there. The reason I've done this is because I want to draw a line straight through the middle of the whole lot and do this. And just drag it straight through and go all the way through that. Right, look at that. Beautiful. Now, let's name some points. Very, very easy. That's the point 1, 1. That's the point 2, 2. That's the point 3, 3. That's the point 4, 4. That's the point minus 2, minus 2. That's the point minus 4, minus 4. Whatever you do, the y part of the coordinate is equivalent to the x part of the coordinate. That is the equation of the line y equals x. And it's beautiful, it's famous, and everyone who does graphs loves that one. Alright, now, I think I want to do the similar sort of thing over here. Taking up my black now. Right, I want to plot the point minus 5, 5 this time, which I think is about there. And I want to plot the point 5 minus 5, which I think is about there. And the reason I've done that is I want to join it with a pretty little blue line this time. Blue, hit it, straight across there, make sure it passes through, boom. Now, what do you notice? Let's work in red now. I've got the point minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 4, 4. I've got the point 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3. I must have drawn it really well. 4 minus 4, and I'm going to stop. Whatever you do to this line, the y coordinate equals the x coordinate when the x coordinate is negative. So that's called the line y equals minus x. That's the equation of the line, and they're very, very famous, and I need you to learn them, alright? So this is the easier one. Y equals x, it goes across that way. Y equals minus x, it goes across that way. And that's all I want to do for the introductory video. So thank you, and I'll be with you very soon.